Welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to try Suhana Butter Chicken Mix. Its weight 50 grams, price 45 rupees. First open the contents of the pack. Here we can see butter chicken mix. Let's start the preparation. First take a bowl, take 200 grams of boneless chicken. Next take 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Now keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes for marination. Meanwhile, make a paste of Suhana butter chicken mix with milk. Take a bowl, butter chicken mix, add 100 ml of milk. Mix it well without forming lumps. After marinating the chicken, now take a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of butter. Now add chicken and saute for 12 to 15 minutes on medium flame. Chicken was cooked. Now keep aside. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil and add 2 medium or 150 grams tomato puree. Mix it well. Cook until oil comes out. Once oil comes out, now add Suhana butter chicken paste and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes more. Mix it well. Now add sauteed chicken, 2 tablespoons of butter and 200 ml of water. Cook it until gravy becomes thickened on medium flame. Now transfer in bowl and serve hot. If you want, you can garnish with cream also. I am using Amul fresh cream. Coming to review. Very simple to cook butter chicken at home. Taste is very good. Similarly like restaurant style. Definitely you can try at your home. That's it. Thank you for visiting Trendy Output YouTube channel.